Let's have a look at the 12-week general preparation phase first, which consists of 3 times 4-week program phases. So phase 1 in general preparation is to build your foundation. The goal here is to master technique and correct imbalances. So we use unilateral exercises like dumbbell chest press to balance left and right sides. We focus on strict form, controlled tempo, and proper breathing. Why it matters. This is like aligning a car's wheels before a long drive. It ensures smooth, safe progress. This phase rewires how you train, prioritizing quality over ego-driven numbers. Then we move into phase 2 of the general preparation phase, which is to balance your physique. And the goal here is to deepen your technique and enhance flexibility. So we progress to slightly more challenging exercise variations while maintaining strict control. Flexibility training intensifies to improve joint mobility. And this matters because it's like practicing scales before a symphony. This phase sharpens your movement quality, preparing you for heavier loads without overloading your joints. And then phase 3, the final general preparation phase, is to solidify your base. So we finalize structural balance and prep for much higher intensity training. You'll continue unilateral exercises, but we progress to slightly more challenging exercises again, and we focus on perfecting technique. Flexibility work advances, but you stick to what your body can handle to avoid rushing. This is the final tune-up before the engine revs up. It locks in habits to prevent injuries when intensity ramps up in the next phase. All right, now that we've completed the general preparation phase, so the first 3 program phases, your first 12 weeks, this is where we ramp things up strategically to unlock advanced strength and flexibility without guesswork. And we use something here called undulating periodization. It's a system trusted by elite coaches worldwide, where we basically alternate between 2 key types of training. So there's intensification training, which is heavy weights, low reps, and these build raw explosive strength. And then accumulation phases, so lighter loads, higher reps, which builds lean muscle, also known as muscle hypertrophy, increases work capacity and joint resilience. It's like laying bricks one phase and then reinforcing with steel beams the next. This back and forth keeps your body adapting while avoiding burnout. And you'll never feel stale, you'll never stop progressing. All right, as we dive into this progression phase, so phases 4 to 12 of the UMS, you're going to notice that we introduce much more advanced training concepts and terminology. And this is probably going to feel pretty unfamiliar at first, but don't let that intimidate you. Inside the UMS app, we break everything down into clear, actionable steps that make sense, no matter your experience level. Remember that our personalized online coaching ensures you're never left guessing. So any questions you have, we're here to answer them. All right, now let's walk through each of the 9 progression phases, phases 4 to 12. This is where your training evolves beyond the basics and into elite level strength and flexibility. But every step is structured and strategic. Let's dive in. Phase 4, intensification using the alternating sets method. Phase 4 is your first introduction to intensification training. Here you'll apply all the technique you developed in the first 12 weeks. You'll also learn how to manage training loads for true strength development, and you begin using bilateral barbell lifts like the back squat and the bench press, so no more unilateral training. You'll also drop to 5 reps per set, which increases intensity, because as reps go down, weights go up. Why? Because now we're targeting your nervous system, specifically the 6 neurological adaptations that drive strength. First is recruitment, activating more motor units. Second is firing rate, increasing how fast they fire. Third is intramuscular coordination, syncing units within a muscle. Fourth is intermuscular coordination, syncing different muscles together. Fifth is antagonist inhibition, reducing resistance from opposing muscles. And sixth is motor learning, hardwiring patterns into your nervous system. Now, to activate these, every rep must be technically perfect. So no sloppy lifts, no chasing numbers. This is how real strength is built, and you're gonna need it for phase 5. Because phase 5 is accumulation, where we introduce the first overload method, which is post-exhaustion supersets. So, first overload method. By this point, you've learned the key barbell and dumbbell lifts: bench press, flat, incline, and dumbbell, squats, high bar, front squats, split squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, rows, overhead press, external rotations, and trap 3 raises. And these all lay the foundation. From here, you're going to refine these movements constantly. Now, this phase is focused on hypertrophy. You're building muscle with higher volume and greater fatigue. You'll increase time under tension and boost muscle recruitment while refining your technique. And if you're worried about getting too bulky, don't be. Muscle growth requires way more than just training. It takes nutrition, recovery, and time. But lean muscle improves metabolism, fat loss performance, and joint protection. It's not optional, it's essential. Phase 6, intensification, agonist-antagonist wave loading. Now we push the strength further with wave loading, paired agonist and antagonist lifts. You'll do 2 waves per pair. So wave 1 is a set of 5 reps, then a set of 3 reps, then a set of 2 reps at your submaximal load. Wave 2, it's the same pattern, but it's at your true 5RM, 3RM, and 2RM. You'll rest 2 to 3 minutes between each set and you're alternating exercises. So you're going to be alternating between a push and a pull, like a bench press and a row. The goal here is maximum motor unit recruitment without central nervous system burnout. So we're training intramuscular coordination, intermuscular coordination, and your ability to focus and perform under load. Heavy, controlled, clean. That's how you win here. Phase 7, accumulation using the rest-pause method. Now we're going to shock the muscles with repeat effort overload. So here's the format. You do 4 to 6 reps at your limit. Rest 10 seconds, perform another 1 to 2 reps at the same way, then rest 10 seconds and keep going until technical failure. And you repeat until you get 8 to 10 reps in total. This method trains your muscles and demands serious discipline outside the gym. You're going to need 9 to 10 hours of sleep when possible, nutrient-dense meals, and strict recovery habits. Push yourself inside the gym and rebuild outside of it. Phase 8 is intensification, post-activation potentiation, 1-5 method. This is a nervous system priming method. You'll alternate 1 heavy single near 1 RM with a 5 rep set at around 85-87% of your 1 RM. And you repeat for 3 rounds, increasing the load as tolerated. So the goal here is to train both max and submaximal strength in one session. The heavy single excites your nervous system, making the 5 rep set more effective. It's controlled, safe exposure to near max loads, helping refine technique under pressure. Phase 9, accumulation, constant rep drop set. This phase returns to hypertrophy with a brutal method, constant rep drop sets. You perform 8 to 10 reps at your working weight, rest 10 seconds, reduce the weight, perform 8 to 10 reps again, and then repeat 1 more time for 3 total drop sets. This fatigues your muscles across 3 progressively lighter sets. It's demanding but necessary to build the resilience and endurance you'll need in future phases. Respect the short rest windows, choose smart loads, and embrace the fatigue. Phase 10, intensification, strength drop sets. Same structure as phase 9, but this time we stay heavy, 4 to 6 reps per set, 10-second rest, drop the weight, repeat for 3 rounds. But here you avoid going to failure. The goal is to build strength, not break down your system. So you'll stay in control, keep perfect form, and lift heavy without frying your nervous system. This builds real-world strength fast. Phase 11 is accumulation, ascending tricep method. This one will test you. 3 exercises in a row, 8 reps, 10 reps, 12 reps, 10-second rest between each exercise, and then you rest, stretch, do the same thing for the antagonist muscles, and then repeat. Expect a drop in strength across rounds. That's the point. Pick appropriate weights, stick to rest times, prioritize sleep and nutrition. This phase builds muscle, joint resilience, and mental grit. Phase 12, intensification, contrast sets. The final phase, contrast sets with eccentric dominant overload. So here's the sequence. You do 3 reps at your 3RM. Then you rest 1 to 3 minutes, add 10 to 20% more weight, perform 2 reps with an 8-second eccentric, rest, and then repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. This is elite level strength training. It pushes your muscles, nervous system, and connective tissue, all while avoiding failure. Every rep must be flawless. This phase prepares your body for high performance strength and bulletproofs it against injury. Every one of these phases builds on the last. Each is carefully programmed to ensure you keep progressing without ever guessing or burnout. And the best part? You're never doing this alone. All right, the full UMS journey includes phase 1 to 3, the general preparation phase to build structural balance and flawless technique, and phase 4 to 12, the progression phase to apply overload, grow stronger, and become more flexible than ever. It's 12 months of training, but it's not about duration, it's about direction. This is a path that takes you beyond your past best, whether that was 10 years ago or something you've never reached, and you'll never walk that path alone. UMS is not just a program, it's a coaching system. We check your technique, we adjust your plan, we answer every question you have. So whether you're 35, 45 or 55, you're not guessing your way forward. You're following a tested, personalized roadmap that keeps you pain-free and performing better with every phase. The progression phase is where everything changes. Your body produces incredible power. You move like an athlete and your confidence skyrockets because every rep has purpose. No more wasted workouts, no more random routines, just a clear path to your strongest, most capable self. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds intense. I'm not an elite athlete. But that's the point. You don't need to be. Because we've taken this elite level system and broken it down into 12 clear, manageable phases. Each one lasts for 4 weeks. Each one builds on the last. And inside UMS, we guide you every step of the way. Nothing is random. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is left to chance. You've come this far. Now it's time to start your transformation. Head to unitygym.com and get started.